Hey, I found an explosive barrel. Oh!
I saw some tape over earlier. There it is! Alright, now I'm ready. I wonder if that could attract any attention.
Why don't you go do donuts out here and just honk my horn? Be like any sensible American. Look at this!
Yeah, it's a truck you can do crazy.
Yeah! America! Remember my last attempt at driving, Ethan? Yeah, you're driving with the same person.
Oh my god, I feel like super slow. Oh my god, stop it.
I'm
You're
sorry,
right.
that's way too much fun to do donuts and honk the horn.
You're right. Oh, there's a crate up there.
Where?
In
Oh,
your
I see it.
sky.
Should I go for it?
Yeah, totally. We're totally geared up for that.
Yeah! Exactly!
Let's just camp
America!
and see if we can score some free kills.
God bless it. I hate this car.
If we get there. If we get there.
Now back it up. Now back it up.
Eventually. We might make it.
Yeah! Oh, I got out of the car. Ethan. Ethan. There you go. Okay. What? You don't have keys.
I don't. Why is it going?
Dude. No, Ethan. Ethan, look at me. Rare footage of Bigfoot.
Fear.
Fear.
For all the wrong reasons. That.
I threw a grenade at them. I got jukes. Oh!
Good.
Mm-mm. I'm getting very shot at.
Okay, his teammates. And then the other guys can also. So let's just camp. No, don't come out here. Go camp inside there. You're the base. Do you have a shotgun? Oh, they're throwing me. Jesus Christ. Alright, this ends up well. We get a sniper.
They know I'm in here.
I know. Okay, I see one of them. As soon as I can bait him into coming over here, I'll shoot him in the face. This is tense.
Oh, he threw a grenade in here. What?
Good,
It dealt
good.
no damage.
Got one. I'm at 0 health though. And somehow I live? Hello? What is
Oh, there's
wrong
the other
with
one.
this game?
Oh,
Damn it!
I'm gonna
What
close
is
that
wrong
door.
with this game? I was at 0 health for like 5 minutes and didn't die. Go kill the other one. He's healing. He's at 66 health.
Where is he?
He's outside. He's standing on top of my body. I thought I downloaded some Razor.
Dude, Ethan, I just found a patch of grass. Wait for it. I am invisible.
Please don't do that. And I'm wanting to
Ethan,
get out of here
Ethan,
alive.
it's okay. Just look at me. I got you. There you go.
Alright.
We'll see if I can blow up the car.
You need a name. Act.
Where's the other one? There's two of them.
Inside the church. They were fighting. They're not teammates.
I know. I'm binocularing on them. Should we just leave? Yeah. Now back it up.
Yeah. You guys deal with that.
Have fun. Ethan, you need to do a brake check. I didn't mean now.
One just left towards the other forest.
Oh my gosh, I can't hit a single shot.